In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a tool I created to demonstrate the chaos pattern of AI agents. And the idea is to have a few agents listen to a user, in this case me. They are going to discuss subjects with each other if they are interested in the same subject, or they're just going to answer my question. The tool is called the Chaos Collaboration Hub, and you see it here. Let's zoom in a bit. So this is the screen. We have a few agents on the left. I've selected the football agent, so I can ask questions like, what is the football club from Rotterdam? And it will try to answer. It's Feyenoord. Okay, well, for me, that is the correct answer. So let me add a few other agents. I have two agents, the Star Trek agent and the Star Wars agent. So on the left side, you can see them. I can select them. Now I'm going to ask a different question. Tell me, what is the best character in Star Wars? Now we have two agents, one who is in favor of Star Wars and the other who is in favor of Star Trek, and they're going to debate with each other. So you can see in this window, we first have a reaction of Star Wars, and then we have a Star Trek, which says like, okay, Darth Vader, notable, and then it's going to, but then of course Star Wars is going to react. Now if you look closely, when I hover on an item, you can see that the parent item is like highlighting. So if I move here, you see that the top question is highlighted, and here is already the Star Wars agent, which is a response. In this case, it's a response to that question. In this case, it's a response to that question, and goes on and on. But you see that it takes too long, and then there's too many messages, where we have some moderation going on here on the right side to prevent discussions that go on too long and people keep responding, because in the end it's an LLM that is giving answers through the agent, so too many calls will still cost me a lot of money. Well, that's mostly it. So you can enter questions or put in statements. There's multiple agents that can respond to the messages, and they can also respond to each other's messages. Then we get a thread, and in the thread we can see like the depth. In this case it's depth 1, it's depth 2, and this is depth 3. So you see that they keep replying to each other, and in the end they will stop because they have the maximum depth of the thread, and then it will stop. Well, hope you like it. Read the blog if you want more information.